Stop scrolling. What if I told you that in 2025, you can make money online using ChatGPT with no special skills, no investment, and using just your phone? Let me show you 5 real ways people are earning cash every single day with this powerful tool. Welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to make money online using ChatGPT in 2025. Stick around, because at the end of the video, I'll give you a full, detailed guide, which you'll find linked in the description and the pinned comment. For now, I'll explain everything short and simple so you can get the main ideas, and later you can dive into the long version for all the details. First up, content writing for clients. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, product descriptions, email campaigns, or social media posts for clients you find on Fiverr, Upwork, or even in Facebook groups. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting and gives you the rough content. All you have to do is refine it a little bit to add that human touch and deliver it. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $150 per project doing this. The second way is YouTube automation. Even if you hate the idea of showing your face on camera, ChatGPT can write full scripts for faceless channels. Think about motivational videos, tech reviews, money tips, or storytelling channels. Once your channel starts growing, you could be looking at an income of $500 to $5,000 a month. Next, let's talk about creating and selling digital products. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and create books, handy templates, daily planners, or social media caption packs. Then, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own online store. Each sale might bring in $10 to $50, and the best part is, it's almost entirely passive income after the initial setup. Method number 4 is affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for writing compelling product reviews, comparison posts, video scripts, or social media captions for products you want to promote. Just share your affiliate links within that content, and you'll earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. This can range from $100 to even $10,000 a month depending on your traffic. And finally, the fifth way, freelance AI services. In 2025, AI freelancing is a massive trend. You can offer specialized services like writing expert ChatGPT prompts, developing AI content strategies, doing AI-assisted research, or even setting up ChatGPT for customer support automation. Companies are paying big for these skills because it saves them countless hours. You could earn between $15 and $75 per hour. Now, these were just quick explanations. If you want all the juicy details, the full setup, the best tools to use, and step-by-step methods for how to earn with each strategy, check out the detailed blog post I've linked in the description and the pinned comment below. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more income tips. And don't forget, ChatGPT ain't replacing people. It's replacing people who don't use it. See you in the next video.